Ngayong laging tapat ka sa kanya.
Kaya nga gamit kita ng mata.
Dati-dati may
Kami
ngiti.
nasa bibigyan din pala sila.
Sino?
Sila James.
Nakita ko sa iyong
Amin.
dahil.
Siya patingin.
James.
Patingin.
Ba't ngayon'y nababalot na ng sakit? At tila ba ayaw mo umibig?
Baka ang kakain natin si Lloyd.
Bakit di makita? Bakit di madama? Ang pag-ibig ko'y inaalay galing sa'yo sinta.
Ay, sa ulo mo.
Di ko sinasabi, ako'y naiiba. Ang pag-ibig ko ay di katulad ng pag-ibig niya.
Pinawalan mo? Yung aso!
Tirati, may ngiti. Nakita ko sa iyong labi. Ba't ngayon'y nababalot na ng sakit? At tila ba ayaw mo umibig? Bakit di makita? Bakit di madama? Ang pag-ibig kong inaalay galing sa'yo sinta. Di ko sinasabi, ako'y naiiba. Pag-ibig niya sana lumuhan. Hindi lang minsan sasabi ko lang galing Bakit di makita? Bakit di madama? Ang pag-ibig kong inaalay galing sa'yo sinta. Di ko sinasabi, ako'y naiiba. Basta lagi at di katulad ng pag-ibig niya. Di ko sinasabi, ako'y naiiba. Basta ang pag-ibig ko.
Ay, pala ako. Ito na sa leche ko.
Pagod.
Sino? Ay, ay, ay.
Ba't ito binigyan?
Wala. Seven-Eleven. Abot na kayo? Sipag. Lagi na nakabuhat pa. Hindi ako naabot naman. Hindi ka na yan. Hindi mo na. Hey! Ang arte.
Ayun, yun ang ginagawa na. Oh.
Nasa loob ng ano yan?
beautiful melody. When the night's so long, there is no guarantee. This life is easy. World is falling apart when it's low. Night to break up the darkness and I
Sinama mo dyan. Wala ka na.
Magdadrive lang ni Jericho si Mama. Iyo ko.
Magkano na kayo? ADB. ADB na kayo. Oo, ako na.
Love me for who I am. Like the stars hold the moon, right there where they belong. I know I'm not alone, yeah, when my world is falling apart, when there's no light to break up the darkness and I look at you. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you. You appear just like a dream to me, just like the light is cold, colors that cover me. All I need, every breath I get to breathe. Don't you know? When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you.
Ate, magbibihis ka ba? Magbibihis na ako, anak. Sandali.
Naninigas.
Magbibihis na ako, magbibihis na ako.
Ay. Eh, bas, ano?
Eh,
Okay. 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 Yo, yan sa'yo muna. Ba, sa'yo muna.
Ay.
Everything is good.
Ay, di ba pala yan yan?
napapasok pa kayo.
Moving in the lane and I had a time. Keep my eyes on the very word.
Hindi ang kabisado mo.
Allowing myself to sleep.
Panahe ka.
Waking up lonely. I needed someone to hold me and warm. It's such a crazy old time. It can drag you down, take you out the dreams. So you party all night to music and lights, but you don't know what happiness means. I was dancing in the darkness, doing the young, no love around me. Suddenly you found me, whoa. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're everything to me. You're everything to me, oh girl. Everything good, everything fine, that's what you want. So put your hand in mine, and together walk the line. The highest star, I'm living a lifetime in every minute that we're together. Now I'm staying right here forever. Whoa. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy. You're my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're everything to me. You're everything to me, oh girl. Oh girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy. You're my reality. Oh girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're everything to me. You're everything to me. Oh girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy. You're my reality. Oh girl, you're every woman in the world to me.
Ano na-send ko na pare? Nagsisinan sila siguro, pinag-uusapan ba? Nakasina sila eh. Nakasina pare, pinag-uusapan pa nila yan siguro kung anong... Hindi mo may iba pare? Tama, ibig sabihin habang nagdadrive ka, gano'n?
How do you hear the drum?
Ngayon lang mo yan pare, ngayon lang. Ano ba ito? May invitation ka ba?
I could hardly believe it when I heard the news today. I had to call and get it straight from you. You said you're leaving, someone swept your heart away.
Legit pa oh.
The look upon the face, I see it's true. But tell me all about it, tell me about the plans you're making.
Pare, asa ka na ba?
Tell me one thing more before I go.